조용히 힐링하는 시간이 필요해. 노래 들으면서 나만의 숲을 천천히 걸어야지.
Rows and flows of angel hair and ice cream castles in the air and feather canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's cloud illusions. I recall I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way you feel as every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at love that way, but now it's just another show. You leave 'em laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from give and take, and still somehow it's love's illusions. I recall I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Dreams and schemes and circus crowds, I've looked at life that way, but now old friends are acting strange. They shake their heads, they say I've changed. Well, something's lost, but something's gained in living every day. I've looked at life from both sides now, from win and lose, and still somehow it's life's illusions. I recall I really don't know life at all. I've looked at life from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's life's illusions. I recall I really don't know life at all.
We tramped the open moorland in the rainy April weather and came upon the little inn home that we had found together. The landlord gave us toast and tea and stopped to share a joke. And I remember firelight, I remember firelight, I remember firelight, and you remember smoke. We ran about the meadow grass with all the harebells bending and shaking in the summer wind, the summer never ending. We wandered to the little stream among the river flats, and I remember willow trees, I remember willow trees, I remember willow trees, and you remember gnats. We strolled the Spanish marketplace at 90 in the shade, with all the fruit and vegetables so temptingly arrayed. And we can share a memory as every lover must. And I remember oranges, I remember oranges, I remember oranges, and you remember dust. The autumn leaves are tumbling down and winter's almost here. But through the spring and summertime we laughed away the year. And now we can be grateful for the gift of memory. For I remember having fun, two happy hearts that beat as one, when I had thought that we were we, but we were you and me.
I think that's pretty good.
내 마음 깊은 숲속에 작은 집 하나, 푸른 나무 사이로 쏟아지는 햇살, 바람 불어오면은 멀리 있는 그대가 좋아하는 노래를 부르고 깨면 검은 바다 한가운데 혼자 있는 것 같아요. 그 누가 알까요? 고요는 가뭄 같아요. 난 더 살아내고 싶어. 널 생각하면 사랑은 여기 있어요. 작은 소망들까지 모두 다 변함없이 아직 비어있어요. 나는 매일을 살아가고 있어요. 이곳에 남아서 우리의 사랑을 부디 약속해줘요. 하지만 난 알고 있어. 그건 나의 욕심인걸. 여긴 그대로예요. 그댄 꿈꾸던 세상에 있나요? 더 자유롭게 저 멀리로 날아가. 훨훨
I was new in town, kinda goth. I met you in the science quad. You asked if I had any pot. We're going up to Mikey's spot, covering important ground. I tried cocaine at my cousin's house. Yeah, I'm probably addicted now. The things that children lie about. I didn't notice it was getting late. You offered me a place to stay. We live up in the Palisades. Tell your folks you ran away. Besides, you're a North Sider now. Nothing's going to change it, pal. We were so pretentious then, didn't trust the government. Said that we were communists and thought that we invented it. Morrissey apologists, amateur psychologists, serial monogamists. We went to different colleges. said that we would always be branches on the same old tree, reaching away from each other for eternity. And you know I can't argue with that. Nothing's going to change it now. When I was working in the smoothie shop, but I couldn't get the weekend off. She told me I was getting soft. I read an article about the accident, probably reaching for cigarettes, and missed the brake lights up ahead. I hope it was an instant death. Sometimes I imagine us way down the line, getting fat somewhere in the countryside. It's crazy how things shake out sometimes. But maybe that's enough magic for me. Nothing's going to change it now.
이름 모를 길에서 나는 아무 말도 못하고 외로움과 함께 버려진 맘을 달래다가 다시 이곳으로 돌아오네. 당신 앞에 넘어진 나의 마음 모두 다 버릴 거야. 그런다 해도 당신은 다 모를 테지만 그대가 나를 떠나가는 건 내가 여기 있기 때문이야. 너무 잘 알고 있어요. 그러니 이만큼도 좋아요. 다시 나를 데리러 오지 않는다는 걸 알아도 당신이 없으면 이런 건 다